Hello guys, so we are going to try out the examples of different aptitude tests about Surds and we see whether we understood the concepts. So the first example here is 7 to the power 3 over 5 times 17 and that. So they want you to find the answer of this. So we shall base on the formula, on the Surds principle of a to the power m times a to the power n equals to a to the power m plus n. Are we together? So with this principle here, we see that our a is 17 and our different powers are these. So they want us to find this solution. Are we all together? So that means m to the power m plus n is equal to 8. Are we together? And this m here is 1m, the m is 3.5, plus this is the n equals to 8. So n will be 8 minus 3.5, and that missing n will be actually 4.5. That is for the first one. So our answer here will be the part D. Example 2, they are giving us a over b x negative 1 equals to b over a x to the power negative 3. They want us to find the value of a. So from here we shall base on the principle that a over b is the same as a over b to the power a negative 1 is the same as getting the reciprocal, which is b over a. Are we together? So we shall apply it there. So to make this into b over a, we shall to change this, actually where there is b over a, we shall put this. So this is a over b to the power x minus 1. So we said b over a is the same as this, so it will be a over b to the power negative 1 to the power x minus 3. So it becomes a over b equals to the power x minus 1 equals to, now this becomes a over b. When this negative 1 multiplies negative 1 times x is negative x, and negative 1 times negative 3 is plus 3. So this one and this one will cancel, remain with x minus 1 equals to negative x plus 3. This x, when it crosses the equal signs, it becomes x plus x minus 1 equals to plus 3, which is the 3. And this one crosses, but this x plus x is 2x. When this negative 1 crosses, it becomes 3 plus 1. So 2x equals to 4. We divide by 2, divide by 2. X is equals to 2. So our answer will be C. Then the next one, they've given us 10 to the power 0.48 equals to x. And they have also continued to tell us 10 to the power 0.7 equals to y. And they are telling us x to the power z equals to y to the power 2. And they're saying us then find the value of z. So we shall base on x to the power z equals to y to the power 2. What is the value of our x? It is this. Our x is the same as 10, 0.48 to the power z equals to, what is our y? Our y is 10 to the power 0.70 is the same as 0.7 to the power 2. And there is a law here that we apply, that a to the power m n is the same as a to the power m times n. So this will be 10 to the power 0.48z when you multiply z times that, and this is 10 to the power 0.7 times 2. That becomes 10 to the power 0.48z equals to 10 to the power 2 times 0.7, it becomes 1.4. So this one and this one cancel, remaining 0.48z equals to 1.4. Divide by 0.48, divide by 0.48. Our z now will be equal to, we get 1.4 divided by 0.48. You see our answer? It's 2.916, which is 2.916. And the answer here will be now 2.9. If we continue now to our next number, they are saying 5 to the power a equals to 3, 1 to 5. And they are saying find the value of 5 to the power a minus 3. This is what we want, but we have to first know the value of a. So we shall say 5 to the power a is equals to 3, 1, 2, 5. So we have to make sure that we put this to the power. So 3 to 1 is the same as 5 to the power. We try here with our calculator. We try multiplying 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. That is that. No, so let's add on another 5. We see it's 3, 1, 2, 8. So this means it is 5 to the power. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the same as 5 to the power 5. So a will be equaling to the power here, which is 5. So that means that 5 to the power a minus 3 is the same as 5 to the power 5 minus 3, which is 5 to the 3. 5 minus 3 is 2, which will be 25. Automatically our answer will be A. And let's do the last one. They're saying 3 to the power x minus y equals to 27, and 3x plus y equals to this. Then x is equal to, so we have to also simplify this. 27 is the same as 3 to the power. You try out with your calculator. 3 times 3 is 9. So you say, let me add on another 1 times 3, which is 27. So it's 3 to the power 1, 2, 3. So it's 3 to the power 3. This one's crossed, so you remain with x minus y equals to 3. And let's try out this second one. 3 to the power x plus y will be 2, 4, 3. Let's try to make, let's see if we add on more 3's. Times 3 times 3. Actually, it give us 2, 4. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 3 to the power 5. X plus y. These two cross, so you remain with x plus y equals to 5. So you start from here. We are looking for x. So x here, when you move y this side, it becomes 3 minus y. Call this equation 1 and come and put, where there is x, you're going to put this here. So where there is x, that is 3 minus y plus y. Could we have made a mistake somewhere? No, when this crosses the negative, it becomes a positive here. So it becomes this equals to 5. So we have 3 plus 2y equals to 5. 2y, when this one crosses, it becomes 5 minus 3. And 2y, 5 minus 3 is 2. Divided by 2, divided by 2. Our y is equal to 1. That means our x will be 3 plus our y, which is 1, and x will be 4, which is the C. Then the next one, they are saying us find the value of 10 divided by that. So here we shall use the rule of n divided by a to the power b is the same as a to the power n minus b. So you just subtract the powers. So when we say this will be 10, 150 divided by 10, 146 is the same as 10 to the power 150 minus 146. So this will leave us 10 to the power 4, which will be, so you come and put 10 to the power 4 is the same as 10,000. And you look for the answer, so the answer will be B. Thank you.